Hey guys, this is a review of the Samsung 27-inch curved monitor. I purchased this item because I was looking for a high quality monitor that would enhance my gaming experience and also be versatile enough for my online business setup. Its sleek design and promising features caught my eye, making it an ideal choice for both productivity and entertainment. I've been using this monitor for about a year now with no issues at all. I like to use it for a variety of tasks, including gaming, streaming movies, and handling my daily work tasks. I've never had a curved design before, and it really does make for an immersive viewing experience, especially during long gaming sessions. Some of the features that stand out include its full HD 1080p resolution, which delivers vibrant colors and sharp images. The 27-inch curved screen offers a more comfortable viewing angle, which delivers vibrant colors and sharp images, reducing eye strain during extended use. The monitor comes with a 60Hz refresh rate and a 4 ms response time, ensuring smooth and lag-free visuals. Additionally, the eye saver mode and flicker-free technology are great for reducing eye fatigue during long hours in front of the screen. My experience with this monitor so far has been excellent. The picture quality is superb and the performance has been ever reliable. The connectivity options. So if I flip this monitor around, and here's the connectivity options here. As you can see, it's got a VGA cable, a HDMI port, make it versatile for different devices. The Samsung 27-inch curved monitor has been a fantastic addition to my setup. Whether you're a gamer, a professional, or someone who enjoys streaming movies, this monitor delivers on all fronts. I highly recommend it for its stunning visuals, reliable performance, and sleek design.